In one of the groups, someone had mentioned they want to use keynotes but only have one monitor. How could they set this up? How could they utilize their keynotes when they only have one monitor and they're using Ecamm? Well, I'm going to show you one thing now that was mentioned. I tested it, works perfectly fine for me, should work fine for everybody else. So we're going to go into demo mode here, and I'm going to open up my keynotes, and then I'm going to just click on this one here, and we're going to open up keynotes. And what I did is, and this is what you could do, you're going to come here to edit. What was it? File, export to PDF. And then when you come here to export it to a PDF, and then you just hit next, and you're gonna export it. Now I already exported it, so I'm not gonna export it again. But once you got that keynotes exported and you create a scene, now I created the scene, but I removed the PDF that way I could show you what I did. And then I have the PDF in here, and I just drop it right in. Now, my camera looks like it disappeared. I just gotta probably move it, and there we go. So now here's my camera, here's the PDF. Now I'm gonna show you here, I have a Stream Deck. Stream Deck makes this easy. In the Stream Deck, I put in 2 keys, and that is right here. Previous PDF page, next PDF page. Again, this is from Ecamm. They give you all these options for you to play around and get things going. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to close this and close this. I'm just going to hit those keys. So now I could advance the slide or the PDF pages. It's probably not perfect, but this should work just fine. And that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully, oh wait, let me get out of demo mode. Hopefully this will help a few people out. If you don't have Ecamm, why not? It's an amazing software, but it is for Mac, and there is a sale currently going on now. If you look in the description below, there is a link. Obviously, it doesn't cost you anything extra to use my link, but I do get a commission, and it is written there. It is 30% off. Keep in mind, it's 30% off the first payment. So if you do use it and you do monthly, it's 30% off for the first month's payment. If you do yearly, it's 30% off for the first payment, which is the entire year. So that is going to be your best deal. And personally, not trying to throw you, into a scheming thing here or something like that, but Pro is the way to go. If you need virtual camera, if you need all of it, do the 14 days. Do the 14 days. See what it shows you as being the Pro features. And if you don't need those, you don't need them. But I'm going to tell you right now, virtual camera and microphone and stuff, I use all the time with Zoom calls, team meetings, and everything. So I have the Pro plan myself. And that's it for this video. I'll see what I get done for the next one. Who knows? Take care.